At NavePoint, your project is our priority. We understand the demands of IT and AV installations. That's why we design all our products with the installer in mind. NavePoint offers high-quality server racks, cabinets, shelves, and cable management accessories. Our easy-to-install products help simplify your installations and save you time. Our products are the best value in the industry, made with superior-grade steel to protect your equipment for years. At NavePoint, we help you complete your projects on time by shipping your order the same day it's placed. We offer free shipping on all of our items, which helps keep project costs down. Finally, we provide you with a 5-star customer experience every time. If you have any questions before or after the sale, our US-based customer service representatives are here to help. When it comes to your business, NavePoint has your back, because your project is our priority.